what's up everybody? Sleepy Ellis here. Thanks again for watching and welcome to my new subscribers. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to bring you cryptocurrency news in an entertainment kind of way, so it's easy for you to digest. So today, of course, I need to start with the historic moment that Bitcoin has reached the all-time high, and at the moment of recording, the price of Bitcoin was around $3,249 with a new all-time high market cap of $53 billion. So now the combined value of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is approximately $3,500 at the moment. So are we now finally at the point that we are going to surpass the all-time high market cap of $114.5 billion? Or are we pulling back again, because today the market cap of the total cryptocurrency market was around $113 billion, but it pulled back again now to $111 billion. And let's not forget that, guys, because $3.4 billion is of the freely created new money of Bitcoin Cash. So we would now be around approximately $108 billion if we do not take Bitcoin Cash into account. So my assumption is that a lot of money of Bitcoin Cash is being converted into Bitcoin. But there's also some new money coming in, as we can see. Nevertheless, if we look at a market cap of 108 or 111 billion, shouldn't we then be wise and lock up some profit, guys, as I always say? And of course, it might rise higher, but be smart or do whatever you need to do, because as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a hobby investor. Don't take anything I say for granted, do your own research and make your own decisions. But at least I try not to be that greedy, and there are always better times that will come to invest. And if you have been in this game already for a longer period, or even started the beginning of this year, you should be already in a lot of profit. So be smart. So the big winners of today are number 1, traders with 15.86%, number 2, Bitcoin with 13.86%, and number 3, Ethereum with 12.94%. So on Trustnode, I read that an important stakeholder of the SEC, the director of the Division of Investment Management, has left the agency. And this person was responsible for the approvals of the ETFs. So also the rejection of the Winklevoss ETF earlier this year. But now it seems that the person that goes by the name of Dahlia Blas, that comes from an agency that had advised the Winklevoss brothers with the ETF, seems to go to be the successor of the director that has left. And the SEC had indicated that they are going to reopen and reconsider the ETF. So that might gonna be exciting, guys. What will come out of that? And then some ICO news, guys. So it seems that the Filecoin pre-sale has already generated $53 million in funds raised by venture capital prior to the ICO that will start on the 7th of August. And then the ICO that Floyd Mayweather has endorsed, stocks, has raised $33 million. So it seems that now in 2017 the amount of $1.38 billion has been generated via ICOs. And I don't know how much money of that went into Ethereum, but we can assume that the biggest chunk, of course, is part of Ethereum. And for those who missed out, I would recommend to watch my video Ethereum Price at Danger that I've uploaded approximately 1 to 2 months ago. And we should take into account, guys, that this ICO madness can have a lot of impact on the price of Ethereum, especially if there are billions involved. So imagine all these companies that are starting off with a white paper, still need to build the company, still need to pay for their running costs. So they need to dump Ethereum into the market to pay their running costs. And also, let's not forget, a lot of startups fail in the first year, but for those details I would recommend to watch that other video. Hence, that's also one of the reasons that I've already taken out like 75% of my Ethereum holdings. And of course, I already made a lot of profit with Ethereum. And speaking about ICO, guys, so after Ethereum and Waves, that makes it possible to create ICOs on their platforms, also NEM is now able to create ICOs on its platform. And last but not least, speaking about Waves, so it seems that Waves has partnered with Gazprombank. So together with Gazprombank, they are now going to provide their clients with ICO services and blockchain services. So, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.